South India's leading entrepreneurs, investors, and industry pioneers have gathered in Bengaluru for the Evolving South India Business Excellence Awards 2026, organized by Prestige Sphere PR at Ramada by Wyndham Bengaluru Yelahanka. Unlike conventional award ceremonies, this platform recognizes businesses that demonstrate real market impact, from building consumer trust to strengthening industry credibility and accelerating growth. Enterprises from Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana are being honored across more than 100 specialized categories spanning technology, MSMEs, healthcare, real estate, finance, manufacturing, and education. Adding prestige to the event, Olympic medalist and former world number 1 badminton champion Saina Nehwal attended as chief guest, presenting awards to top-performing companies. Kannada film actor Bhargav BV joined as guest of honor, while anchor Janaki Narayan hosted the ceremony. Alongside business excellence, special recognitions also honored individuals and organizations driving meaningful social impact and community development. The event concluded with a high-level networking gala, fostering collaborations, investments, and strategic partnerships among South India's key economic stakeholders. As South India strengthens its role as a powerhouse of Indian enterprise, platforms like this continue to spotlight credible, growth-driven businesses shaping the region's future.
I put all the efforts in that, and I think he's really happy and proud that I could do something for the nation, and I'm so thankful to have a father like him. And I thank God that maybe जो भी next जन्म में भी हो ऐसे ही father मिले ताकि ऐसे ही sports में आऊँ मैं. So thank you so much.
We'll be watching your success. Congratulations, man. So we have M. Gurumsad on the stage. He has won the excellence in divine work and traditional art gallery. Backbenchers, can you all clap together? Hello? All eating snacks, huh? Don't even invite me for snacks. It's okay. So now we have Nitin Lakshman on the stage from Intrin Online. Okay, so now we have Seshalri Nagaraja on the stage from Will CFO Service Private Limited, winning the Excellence in Financial Strategy, Investment and Startup Mentorship. Thank you so much.
I'm representing East Bridge University, which has been awarded by Evolving South India Business Excellence Awards for the best international online university, and we are extremely happy and grateful for that.
Is this the first time you are participating? Or?
Yes, it's the first time we've been here, and we're very happy to have been awarded with this. We are based, our university is based in France, but we've got operations all over the world.
Grateful and very grateful for getting this award. My name is Akshay. We are from Akshay Infra LLP. So we got an award for sustainable construction in Bangalore, Mysore, and Tumkur city in Karnataka. It's very grateful. This totally we got totally around 5 awards, and we got state award also before this for the sustainable construction. So
for this film, this is the first time.
Yeah, this is first time. This first time.
Dish ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಐಕ್ಯೂರ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೈನ್ಸಸ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ನಾವು 4 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಈ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯನ್ನು ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಾವು ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 20,000 ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಳಸದೆ ಕೃಷಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಸೊ ನಾವು 4 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಡೋರ್ ಟು ಡೋರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೈನಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುವುದು ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ನನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೀಮ್ ಅವುಗಳೇ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗಿರತ್ತೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಬ್ಬನ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಟೀಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿರತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
So I think business awards are also as important as any award, because I think every field requires a lot of motivation and encouragement. And I would like to thank sir for hosting such big awards, business excellence awards, and making me a part of it. And I'm so proud to give the awards to all the perfect people out there who have achieved so well in their business fields. And I wish them all the best for the future.
Madam, how this awards will inspire other outcome, entrepreneurs,
No, I think it's
especially in the
yeah.
Tier 2 cities, as you are from a Tier 2 cities.
So I think by seeing such great entrepreneurs, the others get motivated and encouraged, and they are also seeing that there's so many people who are doing well in businesses, and they are becoming big entrepreneurs. So I'm sure this will give a lot of confidence to youngsters as well. And all the people are believing that now they can be a business person, which is very nice to see that. And India is growing, and hopefully in the future we have a lot more business people out there.
What is your future plans?
Future plans, I think I just retired, so I think I'll take some time to see what I want to do in the future. But at the moment, I'm very happy motivating youngsters and giving a lot of motivational talks to them. And let's see in the future, you never know.